Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Bukomi Gabriel. So tomorrow is my sister's birthday and I decided to film a look for YouTube. She has a very short hair, just as you can see, so I just wanted something different for her. I don't want the usual wig sort of thing, because when you have short hair on, you just want to wear a wig. Please, viewer discretion is advised. Don't do this to a party if you're on short hair. But if you have a long hair or your bride has a long hair, why not? Good to go, then you can wear that. So I weaved my extension, a loose weave anyway, then I pin it down, just as you can see. I'm trying to roll it around the bun just to get something super nice. So you just really want to see the end of this, like you want to wait to see what this looks like at the end of it all. So basically I'm using my bobby pins. I added just the way I did the extension for the first one, I'm doing the same for the second one, and I'm wrapping it around the bun. And if you have a long hair or your bride has a long hair, you really want to prep the hair first before doing all of this. So you pack it as an updo, then you start this process just the way you can see it. So I just brushed through like over and over just to make sure the short hair comes out nice. And this look is done by Adioge Moa. You want to follow her on Instagram to see how she does her thing and how your everyday look can be great. Then you really want to wait for our picture shot by John Media Concepts. So please, if you like this video, share, like, subscribe, and I will see you again next Sunday. Bye.